Can you speak to aerosols? Because obviously this is a respiratory type of disease. And can you speak to, like, if I'm walking through the lobby of a hotel or if I'm going shopping at Meijer, is COVID lingering in the air? Can I get it even if I'm masked? Is it lingering? So can we talk about that as well, Dr. Thompson?
Sure. Sure. Thank you for the question. Um, as far as the 6 feet, it is still recommended that everyone distance at least 6 feet. So yes, it's important. And that's assuming also that you're wearing a mask. The 6 feet works better if you're wearing a mask, 6 feet or more. We've been hearing, I'm sure many of us, about new variants that have been around that are able to spread somewhere between 30 to 70% more than the original SARS-CoV-2. So considering that, I think it's even more important that the distancing and the masking be done and taken seriously. Now, about walking through and aerosols, they kind of go together. First of all, they're droplets, and droplets are larger particles that have usually more viruses on them. And droplets don't travel long distance. But if someone's singing or talking loud or shouting, droplets can still go quite a few feet. But if both people are masked, then that greatly reduces the likelihood that a droplet will land in your nose or your mouth or on your skin, where it could then get to one of those areas. Aerosols are lighter. They can travel several feet, much more than 6 feet. If you sneeze or cough, some of the virus particles are on these more lightweight aerosols that may travel several yards. But they usually don't have what's called a high inoculum, meaning a lot of viruses per aerosol. So if one is around someone that's spewing aerosols for 15 or more minutes, there's more of a chance you might get the infection. So aerosols have been shown to be important. They can travel further, but that again highlights the importance of wearing a mask, of distancing as far as you can, of not being in large gatherings, and the importance of frequent hand washing. So if you're in the store and you're walking around, there's no reason to panic about there being aerosols, in your grocery store or wherever you are. If you are masking, if other people are masking, and if you are making sure that you do watch your distance.